Maksim Nikiforovich Vorobyov was born August 17, 1787, in Pskov, died September 11, 1855, in Saint Petersburg. He was a Russian landscape painter. Most of this work had to be done in secret to avoid interference by the local Ottoman authorities. Besides the ancient ruins, he also drew sketches of contemporary Jerusalem and the Dead Sea, as well as scenes from Istanbul, Smyrna, Jaffa and other places he passed through. The final result was a collection of over 90 watercolor sheets that would serve as the basis for many paintings. He received a lifetime pension for his work there.